Okay, what's the matter?
I've been feeling unwell since yesterday. I've got a cough and I sure throat.
Have you been eating many sweets recently?
Yes, I have. Yesterday I had a big dinner. I ate lots of chocolates, sweets, and I saw ice cream. I know it was bad actually. Sorry.
Do you often have that kind of diet?
Certainly.
Did you have a good sleep last night?
No, I did.
Well, I suggest you not to consume many sweets in your meals. In addition, try to have a healthy diet like consuming fruits or vegetables in your daily. Don't forget to drink much water and have enough sleep.
I got it.
One more thing, don't forget to take medicines 3 times a day.
Sure. Thanks so much, doctor.
You're welcome.